Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your SunPass account. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure you have your SunPass transponder number or SunPass sticker ID ready. Next, prepare a valid email address and a phone number you can access right now. Then, have a debit or credit card available if you plan to add funds during setup. After that, open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to SunPass.com. On the homepage, find and click the option that says Activate or Register, depending on what you see. If you already created an online profile before, choose Login instead of creating a new account. For a new account, select Create Account and enter your email address and a strong password. Confirm your email if the website asks you to verify it through a message sent to your inbox. Log into your new account and look for the section called Transponders or Add a Transponder. Carefully type your transponder number or sticker ID exactly as printed. Then continue. Choose the correct transponder type if the system asks you to select between portable and sticker. Now enter your vehicle information, including license plate number, state, and vehicle type. Double-check the license plate characters because one wrong letter can cause billing issues. Add a second vehicle only if you plan to move the transponder between vehicles and the rules allow it. Next, select your preferred replenishment method such as auto-replenish or manual refill. If you choose auto-replenish, enter your payment card details and confirm the billing address. If you choose manual refill, add an initial deposit amount to start the account balance. Review the fees or minimum balance requirements shown on the screen before you submit payment. Confirm your contact details so you can receive low balance alerts and transaction notifications. Set up text or email notifications if the option is available in your account preferences. Read the terms and conditions. Then check the agreement box to proceed. Click Activate, Submit, or Finish to complete the activation process. Wait for the confirmation page and take a screenshot or note your confirmation number. Check your email for an activation confirmation message from SunPass. Log back into your account and verify that your transponder status shows active. Go to your account balance page and confirm the funds are available if you added money. Before driving, place the transponder correctly on your windshield according to SunPass instructions. On your first toll trip, keep your receipt or check your account later to confirm the toll posted correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.